Please tell me how to answer this question. Who is your sponsor? Should we talk about the sponsor's occupation, income, and all that stuff?
Yeah, so this is a great question. If you do have a sponsor, so funding is a big part of the student visa interview. So if you are going as a student, you are going to have to explain to the visa officer how you plan to pay for your tuition and living expenses. And oftentimes you do have a sponsor. If you have a sponsor, it is important to have context for the visa officer so they understand the relationship between you and the sponsor, because really what you're trying to do is you're trying to paint a picture for the visa officer so that they can understand why this person would pay money out of their own pocket for your tuition or living expenses. And keep in mind that sometimes there could be a little bit of cultural difference. So, for an American officer, it's possible that their parents would pay for their tuition, but an aunt and an uncle might seem strange. So it might be very helpful for you to explain this relationship between yourself and your distant family member as to why this person would do such a thing for you.
And the question, who's your sponsor? The question behind the question is, why should I give you the visa, right? And so when they're asking this, they're wondering about your finances. The question isn't just about, tell me about that one person who you listed as your sponsor on your I-20 or on your DS-160. The question is, tell me about your whole financial situation. So don't limit your answer to talking about one person. Talk about everything. If it's your savings, your parents' savings, your families, your extended families, give them all the information that could possibly help them get to the decision to issue your visa.